Hi guys, welcome back to K.C.B Beauty. Today we're going to do the 15-minute makeup challenge. So we've got to do our makeup in 15 minutes. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and bye.
Bye. Okay, I'm so scared. Oh,
What do you think the longest part of primer from makeup
up.
is?
I just fucked up already.
Why?
Because I haven't primed. They're gonna so be asking why I'm putting primer on with
a brush.
Yeah. Oh. I need to.
What do you think the longest part of makeup is going to be?
Eyes.
I think lips are quite long. I just realised I need to put on lip balm. We've already been a minute and all we've done is try on. My lips are so dry. Huh?
This is so rush. You can't rush perfection.
You can in this case.
Oh yeah, but you're lucky because you don't
I don't want.
do eyebrows.
But I am.
Oh, you just do it
Very quickly.
different timing, I guess.
I mean, I probably should have done eyebrows first, but I didn't. But that's okay. We've got an itch already.
Yeah, because if you do eyebrows now, then we're in sync.
I already put the foundation on my face.
Yes, I can pause that for a sec.
No.
My face feels really oily from that primer.
Primer's had the baby skin.
Feels really, I don't know, strange.
I've also just realised my sponge still smells like my washing powder. No washing pods.
Yes,
Hey, at least I know it's clean. Right, quickly. Draw through lines from my brows.
You're using the mirror there.
Yep. I know. It's already been 3 minutes and all I've done is foundation.
Wow. We're not going to do this in 15 minutes.
What
I'm glad you've already done your foundation. I haven't even done my flipping eyebrows yet.
No, it's not mine of the challenge.
Do you know what? That'll have to do.
We ain't got time to faff.
That'll do, darling.
That'll do.
That'll do.
Good old Mike. Can't believe he went home so fucking... I really thought he was going to make it to the finals.
Same.
That baby went home and that was sad.
I can't believe you haven't followed her on Instagram where you got him.
No.
That's crazy. You've got to. I'll follow all of them.
But you like Love Island.
Yeah.
It's been 5 minutes.
Wow. Already. I've got to conceal my eyes. No, can't do that. I'm gonna put on baby because I've got 2 sets of concealer.
I normally do, but we ain't got time to. Today's not the day for it. Watch them chin rolls. Woo. I think the only time we're ever fucking quiet is when we're doing our makeup.
I know, it's been a whole 6 minutes already. What have we done for 6 minutes?
What have we done for 6 minutes?
Faff. Now I forgot what I need to do next. Oh my god, ow. Never mind this, I guess.
Ooh.
Quick blending.
I know, because we've only got like 5 minutes if you think about it. Why am I going to try baking this time?
Quick tongue. Well, I mean, we've still got to do our eyeshadow yet.
Yeah, but eyeshadow's my thing.
Yeah, but that's the thing that takes the longest.
Well, I'm already on it, so.
Oh shit, I haven't even got my fucking. Oh shit, I'll just do this one.
Just because you ain't got time to fast.
No time. Oh, I used to do it yesterday. This one. I'll just add 2 colours. It's okay, guys.
She's got this. It's
Oh no, help! I don't know what colour to use. This one, I guess.
Would be terrible if we actually had to rush.
Yeah. This is one of those so shit.
I know. I could tell. One side came out more pigmented than the other and it didn't need to be. So now I've got to imagine.
Well, I guess that's what I have to do. I've got 2 things to do. Highlight and lips.
Got time to sit and think.
I haven't got time for thinking these days.
Work it. What's that?
No, 9 minutes. We've got 6 minutes left. You can actually do this, you know.
You could.
6 minutes. My eyeshadow doesn't look all that bad. Well, I mean, I've got the problem.
I ain't even got time to fucking stop to do my high fucking. What? Yeah, so I drew a line on myself. Oh, I should have got this out of the box. It's literally 10 minutes, we've got 5 minutes.
That's right, we can do this.
So my brush is absolutely ruined thanks to Keller Capella
Oh,
with the no varnish remover.
what brush?
This brush.
Oh,
Wait, listen, that's banging. I've never used it before. Or maybe because I ain't got time to.
ain't got time to be looking in the mirror for half an hour. Where is he? This one. Hello. Quick. Go. This looks cool.
Oh,
Yeah, no time for that shit.
I've always got time for eyeliner.
Minutes. How has it been 11 minutes already?
It just happens, doesn't it? There's time.
Oh, we just did that quick time.
Normally it don't take us this long. Normally it takes us longer. Microwave bake.
You know what I didn't do? I didn't conceal her. Oh no, I fucked up. Quick.
We've got 3 minutes.
We made so much racket just then.
It's not blending out. Come on. That is blended. Do you know, like the last 3 minutes is where you rush?
So, come on, please. We've got this. No, it doesn't even look that bad. You just have to rush that shit. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. I'm done. Kind of. Where's that thingy spray?
I don't know, you put it away. Come on. Listen, that highlighter in the corner of my eye, mate, is banging.
Me.
Cutting it so close.
Oh shit!
What have you do?
I didn't do that! Ah!
You've got time, it's okay.
I didn't put mascara on. I knew I was forgetting something. Oh, great. I knew I forgot something. What?
Good news, my new stealer. No, never mind. I'm just gonna use colour in hand. I got a minute.
Okay, we did it. Oh my god, I'm done, I think. What didn't I do? I've done everything, I think. MB.
There is no point trying to rush.
Oh yeah, we've got 30 seconds, we're done.
We did it! I mean, under my eye looks a mess. It just rushed some mascara. I was like, fuck, just one.
Look at my eyes, they're two different eyes. Again.
That highlighter does. First time I put that in the inner corner, it looks pretty sick. We'll chuff with that. It's just a, what is it? It's just loose powdered highlighter. Oh, interesting.
We did that.
We did do that, just about.
But how though?
Just about. We rushed.
Oh.
And I realised I haven't set the facial settings for it. Oh, okay. But
I did not mean to take that photograph. It's great.
Right, that's our 15-minute makeup challenge. Busted.
Well, actually, we did it in 14 minutes and 30 seconds.
Yes, we did.
Yes, we did.
And I am never rushing my makeup ever again.
No.
Ever.
Did you do eyebrows?
I did, just about. Can't you tell they're too uneven, unfriended? Oh god, slugs on my face.
It's Avengers.
But for now, we're gonna say bye.
Bye.